This is Harry Vocal. The sound of Australia, voice off the street. Indigenous Allstars football games. How do we call it the Indigenous Allstars? Look up the word Indigenous in the dictionary. Most of these players, if not all, are of mixed race, so why isn't it called the Mixed Race All-Stars? Why can you only recognise one side of your culture? And before you call me racist, that's rap. I'm a realist. Indigenous All-Stars, it can't be. It's reverse racism. And then to boot, you've got players in there who say when they're going to play these games, they're going to refuse to stand for our national anthem. Well and good. Don't stand. Better still, don't even play the game. Your culture may have been the first inhabitants of this land, and you play rugby league well, but you didn't invent the game. It's our game. So if you don't want to sing the national anthem, don't sing it. But don't force us, like all these other minorities, to the point where we aren't allowed to sing it ourselves, and you're in control. It was your land, but our game. This is Harry Vocal.